What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Uncommon Scentz back again for another fragrance review. You know, I told you guys I got a lot of content coming out, so I definitely want to make sure that I'm cranking out the shit for you guys. I've been coming across a lot of great fragrances, so guess what? Guess what I'm gonna do? Since I'm a nice guy, I'm gonna share it with y'all. One of the fragrances I want to review today and share with you guys is this beautiful motherfucker right here, English Laundry Signature by Christopher Wicks. This is an EDP concentration. First of all, let me say this. I didn't pay a lot for this fragrance. I think I paid $20-25 for this guy. And I was expecting, something to just be a little, I wasn't expecting what actually happened with this fragrance. Also, just the box alone. I keep the box because the presentation really is something to me. Let me just open this shit up. Like, that's dope as hell to me. You got this emblem here, like a coat of arms, English Laundry. Then, not to mention, it's what's on the inside? Like a felt. It's kind of dope to me. Not to mention this big ass bottle. Do you see how big this motherfucker is? And then, pretty ass cap. English Laundry emblazoned at the top as well as the front. And like I said, this is an EDP, Eau de Parfum concentration, and man, it smells really, really fucking good. What I've noticed is a lot of people say, "Oh, this is a cheap version of Jean Paul Gaultier Le Mans." I don't think so, but it does have some similarities. I'll tell you that. Nice, powerful sprayer, gives you a good blast. I love a good sprayer on the cologne, and again, I've used roughly about 10%. I got a lot of fragrances, man, and so. A lot of my fragrances end up being in that place of about 10% missing. But to me, this one is definitely a fresh, clean, I'd say kind of a barbershop scent. It definitely has a little bit of similarities of Le Mans, but the difference here is I don't think it has a mint note like Le Mans does. But to me, I smell a vanilla. But according to the notes, when I looked them up, no vanilla was here. You got bergamot, you got some citrus, you have some amber, some lavender. Those are some of the notes. And for the most part, this guy's pretty linear. You put it on, you're going to be getting virtually the same thing the whole while. I put it on today, roughly about 1:30. Came from the gym, got out the shower, sprayed it on. I have a little decant, if you want to call it, or the little scent box vial that you turn up and get your spray on. Sprayed it on about 1:30. It's 11:10 p.m. and I can still smell traces of this on my neck. So probably did 5 sprays, like 2 up in this area, 2 on the sides, and 1 on the back of the neck, just so I could get this decent sillage. I haven't gotten a lot of compliments. I wore to work. I haven't gotten a lot of compliments in the work setting, but I've gotten compliments from my partner. I've gotten compliments in close encounters. So I would definitely wear this either to the office or as a date scent. It's one of those close encounter fragrances you can really enjoy. I think more than anything, I enjoy smelling this on myself. As narcissistic as that may seem, but I think I enjoy smelling this on myself, and this may be one of those fragrances that's more for your enjoyment as a wearer versus for work versus trying to get compliments. And of course, nothing wrong with getting compliments. We all want those. But I really enjoy this juice. So let's break it on down. If I have to rate this guy, I would give it an 8.5. I really like this scent, and especially for the price. I've seen it online at jet.com going for $78, $80. Look, no disrespect to anybody. There's only a few colognes out there that I've paid full retail price. We'll talk about those in another video that I bring to you guys. But, man, solid 8.5. Longevity on this, to me, is dope. It's one of the best that I have in my collection. Let's go through the 3 Ps. Projection. It's not a projection monster. You probably get about a scent cloud of about maybe 2 feet. It's one of those ones you walk past and it'll kind of trail a little bit. It's not one of those you can smell from a mile away. Performance. Again, like I said, that's from 1:30 to 11:10. That's damn near 10 hours. So let's just say 9.5. Play. Not a whole lot of compliments, but that's okay because I enjoy the scent on myself, as well as people that have been in my close employ. Like if I go in, reach, give you a hug, you'll definitely smell it. It's not one of those scents where it's one you have to chase after smell the neck, but no, it's one of those scents that's present without being loud. And if I had to characterize it, I would say it's the more refined older brother or uncle of Lamar. You know, the one that has his shit together, kind of like Blair Underwood. It's kind of like that. As far as what to wear, how to wear, like I said, I would wear date night, to work, business casual type of scent. And this is quickly becoming, funny thing, it's quickly becoming one of my signatures. I'm starting to reach for this guy a lot more. Like I said, I have a vial that I travel with that I just refilled out of one of my scent box, from my scent box subscription. I just refill it, pop it open, spray down into it, close it back up, drop it back into the vial, twist it up when I need it, twist it down when I don't, send my gym bag, leave it there. But that's my review of this, guys. Copper Drop, this is a definite cop for me. And I feel like with me having this in my collection, I don't need Lamar. I have other Lamar fragrances. I have Cuba, of course. I have Ultramar. We'll talk about that in another video. I also have Atomi Tropics. It kind of smells like I think it's what is it called? Shit. Jean Paul Gaultier Au Fresh or Pop Out. I think it's one of those guys. It kind of smells like. So, other than Ultramar, I don't need another Le Mans or Jean Paul Gaultier fragrance in my collection. But especially with having this around. And for $20, this, as long as they make this, I more than likely will keep on buying this. I really like this fragrance, you guys. And again, if you haven't copped it, go ahead and check it out. They have a lot of other fragrances too. I think Oxford Blue reminds me of Versace Eros. So again, if you happen to get that on the cheap, check it out. If you don't want to pay full retail price for Versace Eros, check out English Laundry Oxford Blue, I think it's called. And they have a few others. They have Notting Hill and all the others. I don't know all the other ones like that. They have Riviera. I think I bought a Coffre set. I sprayed a few. They were okay. I ended up giving it away. That's one of the things I do. If it's not one of the ones I gotta have, or I've let somebody wear it and it smells better on them, you'll end up getting it, especially if you're close to me. And so what we'll be doing here soon is some giveaways as well. I have some fragrances that I do not wear a whole lot of, and I'd rather give it to the fragrance community versus just letting it sit in my collection, racking up dust. I also have some of the decants, or should I say, the samples that I've gotten from Scentbox that that aren't the best to me, that I'm not feeling. And again, we can do those as some giveaways as well. So in the meantime, fellas, like, rate, comment, subscribe. Definitely hit the bell so that you guys will be notified of every bit of content that I have coming forth. In the next couple of weeks or days, I will be pumping out videos consistently because I want you guys to know and enjoy some of the fragrances that I have in my collection. And also, I want to put you guys on to some things that you may have seen around but you may have not wanted to try. I'm your guy. So again, this is Uncommon Scentz. Thank you guys for taking the time to just even be here with me. Much love to the fragrance community, fellas out there, and the ladies. If you guys stop by, like, rate, comment, subscribe. Again, it's your boy Uncommon Scentz, and we out.